Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new folder to the Quip application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the folders button and click on the this icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on new folder. After that, type in the name of your new folder. Then select the color of it. Tap on the create button in the upper right corner of the screen and here you can find it. If you go back, you are going to find it in the private big folder that there are many subfolders, so feel free to tap on the relevant one and you are ready to insert spreadsheets, documents to it. If you tap on the three dots icon next to it, you can turn on notifications, share it with others, rename it and also delete it by tapping on the delete button. As you can see, you can delete it permanently, so you will lose access to all of the documents inside the folder. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.